Barnaby rested on his branch at the edge of the starlit coast. The night was warm and still, and then he felt it, the softest touch against his fur. A warm breeze was coming from across the open water, gentle and slow, carrying the scent of salt and distant shores. It moved through the leaves around him, making them whisper. Barnaby closed his eyes and let the breeze touch his face. It was like a soft hand stroking his cheek, warm and tender and full of patience. The breeze had traveled so far to reach him, across miles of dark water, over sleeping waves and quiet horizons. It had nothing to rush for, nothing to hurry toward. It simply moved, slow and steady and warm, brushing against Barnaby's fur, lifting a few strands gently, then setting them back down. The way a mother smooths a blanket over a sleeping child. Barnaby breathed with the breeze, breathing in as it came, breathing out as it passed. His small chest rising and falling, matching the rhythm of the warm night air. The breeze moved through the coastal trees, and the leaves began to dance. Not a fast dance, the slowest dance in the world, each leaf swaying gently, then returning, then swaying again. Barnaby watched the leaves move, his heavy eyes following their slow rhythm, back and forth, back and forth. The most relaxing thing he had ever seen. The breeze carried the sound of the leaves, a soft, rustling whisper, S-H-H-H, 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 that wrapped around Barnaby like a warm song. Now the breeze was all around him, warm air wrapping around his small body, carrying him in its gentle current. He felt weightless and safe, floating on the night air. His grip on the branch loosened, not enough to fall, just enough to feel the breeze supporting him, holding him, rocking him ever so slightly. Barnaby let out a long, slow breath, his body melting into the warmth, his mind drifting with the air. The breeze knew exactly what it was doing. It knew how to help a sloth fall asleep. The warm night breeze continued its journey across the coast, and Barnaby went with it, not moving from his branch, but moving in his mind, drifting on the gentle air. The breeze carried him over dark water, past sleeping birds and quiet rocks, through silver moonlight and soft shadows, carrying him deeper and deeper into sleep. Barnaby was asleep now, his small body warm and relaxed, the breeze still moving through his fur, a gentle companion for the night, whispering, 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 all the way to morning.